So, we're excited to be able to provide protection to the youngest children who have not yet been able to get protection against COVID. We know that the hospitalization rates have been very high in this group because they have not had access to the vaccine before. And so, we know that unfortunately over 200 children in this age group have died because of COVID since the beginning of the pandemic. And so to be able to offer the vaccine as the best form of protection for these youngest children is a huge step in the right direction. I do expect that pediatricians will be recommending the vaccine for their families. I certainly do as well. Because it does provide the best level of protection, and we also know that it's safe, and that's why the FDA, the advisory committee and the FDA themselves have been so cautious about expanding protection to this age group, is to ensure that safety and allow extra time for study on side effects and those kind of things, and they have found it as safe and effective in protecting against COVID. There's not any reason why you can't get COVID vaccine in addition to other vaccines that children are routinely getting. All of these vaccines have been studied, for a while there. With the older kids, they were recommending a separation just to continue to monitor for side effects. But for several months, if not a year now, we've been giving vaccines in combination with the COVID vaccine. And babies' immune systems are perfectly capable of handling that and generating a good immune response to all of them. I think the big things to know are that it's effective. It does help protect against children getting COVID. And, part of the concern is we don't necessarily know all the long-term ramifications from having COVID yet. And so by protecting against that, we might be protecting against future things that we aren't even fully aware of yet. We know from extensive study on these vaccines that they're safe and they're effective, and those are really the takeaways.